Welcome to my channel, Reading Book. The Universe.
To infinity and beyond!
Very big. The universe is an incredibly vast and complex entity that encompasses all matter, energy, and space that exists. It is believed to have originated from a single point of infinite density and temperature, which underwent a massive explosion known as the Big Bang. This event is thought to have occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago and marked the beginning of the universe as we know it today. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding at an accelerating rate, constantly evolving and changing over time. It is made up of countless galaxies, stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, each with their own unique characteristics and behaviors. The study of the universe is known as astronomy, which seeks to understand the origins, structure, and behavior of celestial objects and phenomena. Astronomers use a variety of tools and techniques to study the universe, including telescopes, satellites, and computer simulations. They study everything from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the universe, such as galaxies and galaxy clusters. By studying the behavior of these objects, astronomers can gain insights into the fundamental principles that govern the universe and its evolution over time. In conclusion, the universe is an endlessly fascinating and complex entity that continues to inspire awe and wonder in people around the world. Through the study of astronomy, we can gain a deeper understanding of the origins and behavior of the universe and our place within it. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, and dust that are held together by gravity. The Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be between 100,000 and 180,000 light-years in diameter and contains hundreds of billions of stars, including our own Sun. The galaxy is shaped like a spiral, with a central bulge and spiral arms that extend outwards. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, with the most common types being spiral, elliptical, and irregular. The study of galaxies is an important field in astronomy and astrophysics, as it helps us understand the structure and evolution of the universe. Scientists use telescopes and other instruments to study galaxies and learn more about their composition, formation, and behavior. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, which means that it has a central bar-shaped structure surrounded by spiral arms that extend outwards. It is estimated to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter, making it one of the largest galaxies in the local group. The Milky Way is home to our solar system, as well as billions of other stars, and contains a wide variety of celestial objects, including planets, asteroids, comets, and other types of space debris. It is also home to a supermassive black hole at its center, which is believed to be around 4 million times more massive than the Sun. The Milky Way is part of the local group, which is a collection of over 50 galaxies that are gravitationally bound to each other. Despite its size and complexity, much of the Milky Way's structure and behavior remain a mystery to scientists, and ongoing research is aimed at uncovering more about this fascinating galaxy. A black hole is a region of spacetime where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It is formed when a massive star collapses in on itself, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. Black holes are invisible, but their presence can be detected by observing their effects on nearby matter, such as stars and gas clouds. They come in different sizes, ranging from stellar black holes, which are a few times more massive than the Sun, to supermassive black holes, which can be billions of times more massive than the Sun and are found at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape. Once an object crosses the event horizon, it is pulled towards the singularity and is eventually crushed into a point of infinite density. The study of black holes is an active area of research in astrophysics, and scientists are still trying to understand their properties and behavior. The solar system is a vast and complex system of celestial objects that orbit around the Sun. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy and consists of 8 planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In addition to these planets, the solar system also includes dwarf planets such as Pluto, as well as numerous moons and other small bodies such as asteroids and comets. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and provides the gravitational force that keeps the planets in their orbits. It is a massive, hot, and luminous ball of gas that is the most important object in the solar system. The study of the Sun is an important area of research in astronomy, as it provides insights into the formation and evolution of the solar system. The 8 planets in the solar system are diverse in their characteristics and properties. The 4 inner planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are small and rocky, while the 4 outer planets, including Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are large and gaseous. Each planet has its own unique features and characteristics, and scientists continue to study and learn more about them. In addition to the planets, the solar system also includes numerous moons, which orbit around the planets. These moons are diverse in their properties and characteristics, and some are believed to have the potential to support life. The study of the solar system is an active area of research in astronomy, and scientists continue to learn more about its formation, evolution, and composition. The solar system is an important part of our understanding of the universe, and it provides insights into the processes that shape the cosmos. Earth is a planet that is located in the habitable zone of the solar system, which means that it is at a distance from the Sun that allows for the existence of liquid water on its surface. It is the 3rd planet from the Sun and has a diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers. The planet is composed of several layers, including the crust, mantle, and core. The crust is the outermost layer of the planet and is the thinnest layer, while the mantle is the thickest layer and is made up of hot, flowing rock. The core is the innermost layer of the planet and is composed of a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. Earth is the only known planet to support life, and it has a diverse range of ecosystems, including forests, deserts, oceans, and polar regions. These ecosystems are home to a wide variety of plant and animal species, including humans. The planet has one natural satellite, the Moon, which orbits around it. The Moon plays an important role in the Earth's tides and has been the subject of scientific study and exploration. Overall, Earth is a unique and fascinating planet that has captured the imagination of scientists and non-scientists alike for centuries. The Moon is a celestial body that orbits around Earth, and it is the only natural satellite of our planet. It has a diameter of approximately 3,476 kilometers, making it the 5th largest moon in the solar system. The Moon's surface is covered in craters, mountains, and plains, and it has no atmosphere. The lack of an atmosphere means that the Moon has no weather or wind, and it also means that there is no protection from the Sun's radiation or meteoroids. The Moon's gravitational pull affects the tides on Earth, and it is responsible for creating 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. This gravitational pull is also responsible for the Moon's synchronous rotation, which means that the same side of the Moon always faces Earth. The Moon has been explored by both humans and robotic missions. The first human landing on the Moon was the Apollo 11 mission in 1969, and there were a total of 6 manned missions to the Moon between 1969 and 1972. In addition to these manned missions, there have been numerous robotic missions to the Moon to study its surface and composition. Overall, the Moon is a fascinating object in our solar system that has captured the imagination of humans for centuries. Its impact on Earth's tides and its role in space exploration make it an important object of study for scientists and researchers. The Sun is a star that is located at the center of our solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma that is constantly undergoing internal convective motion. This motion generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process, which plays an important role in shaping the Sun's atmosphere and influencing the behavior of the solar wind. The Sun's energy is produced by nuclear fusion reactions in its core, where hydrogen atoms are converted into helium atoms through a process that releases an enormous amount of energy. This energy is then radiated outwards in the form of light and heat, providing energy for life on Earth and driving the Earth's climate system. The Sun is also responsible for the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that flows outwards from the Sun and interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. The study of the Sun and its behavior is an important area of research in astronomy and space science, with implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun in our solar system, and it is often referred to as the red planet, due to its reddish appearance in the night sky. The planet has a thin atmosphere that is mostly composed of carbon dioxide, and its surface is covered in craters, mountains, and valleys. Mars also has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids. Over the years, Mars has been the subject of numerous missions by space agencies around the world, with the goal of studying its geology, climate, and potential for supporting life. Some of the most notable missions to Mars include the Viking program, which sent 2 landers to the planet in the 1970s, and the Mars Exploration Rover mission, which landed 2 rovers on the planet in 2004. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the possibility of sending humans to Mars, with several space agencies and private companies working on plans for manned missions to the planet in the coming decades. However, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome before such missions can become a reality, including developing the technology to safely transport humans to Mars and sustain them on the planet for extended periods of time. The Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is located closest to the Sun. It was named after the Roman messenger god, Mercury, who was known for his speed and agility. The planet has a rocky surface that is heavily cratered, giving it a similar appearance to the Moon. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, which is composed mainly of helium and hydrogen. Due to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has a very short year, lasting only 88 Earth days. Additionally, the planet has a slow rotation, meaning that one day on Mercury is equivalent to 59 Earth days. Overall, Mercury is an interesting planet that has unique characteristics and is an important part of our solar system. The Venus is a fascinating planet that has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. As the second planet from the Sun, it is relatively close to Earth and shares many similarities with our own planet. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, which is fitting given its striking appearance and unique features. One of the most notable characteristics of Venus is its thick and toxic atmosphere, which is composed mainly of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. This atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect that traps heat and causes the planet to be incredibly hot, with surface temperatures that can reach up to 864 degrees Fahrenheit, 462 degrees Celsius. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. In addition to its extreme temperatures, Venus also has a very slow rotation, taking longer to rotate on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. This results in days that are longer than its years, which is a unique phenomenon in our solar system. Despite these challenges, scientists have been able to study Venus and learn more about its composition and characteristics. Overall, Venus is an important part of our solar system and has contributed greatly to our understanding of planetary science. Its similarities to Earth make it a particularly interesting subject for study, and scientists continue to explore the planet in the hopes of unlocking its many secrets. Jupiter is also the fastest rotating planet in our solar system, with a day lasting only 9 hours and 56 minutes. Due to its massive size, Jupiter has a strong gravitational pull, which has led to the capture of numerous asteroids and comets into its orbit. In fact, Jupiter is often referred to as the vacuum cleaner of the solar system due to its ability to attract and capture these objects. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up of bands of clouds that are composed of ammonia crystals, sulfur, and other compounds. These bands create a distinctive striped appearance on the planet's surface. The Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm on Jupiter, is so large that it could easily fit 2 or 3 Earths inside it. Jupiter's moons are some of the most interesting objects in our solar system. For example, Europa is believed to have a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system and is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field. Io is the most volcanically active object in our solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes. Callisto is the most heavily cratered object in our solar system and is believed to have a subsurface ocean as well. Overall, Jupiter is a fascinating planet that continues to intrigue scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Its unique characteristics and potential for extraterrestrial life make it an important object of study in our solar system. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is known for its iconic rings, which are made up of ice particles, rocks, and dust. These rings are incredibly thin, with a thickness of only about 10 meters. Saturn is also the 2nd largest planet in our solar system, after Jupiter. Saturn has a similar composition to Jupiter, with a mostly hydrogen and helium atmosphere. However, Saturn has a lower density than Jupiter, which means it is less massive overall. Saturn has a strong magnetic field, which is about 578 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Saturn has many moons, with the largest being Titan. Titan is the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere, which is mostly made up of nitrogen. It also has lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane on its surface. Another interesting moon is Enceladus, which has geysers of water vapor and ice particles erupting from its surface. Overall, Saturn is a fascinating planet with unique characteristics that make it an important object of study in our solar system. Uranus is a gas giant planet located in our solar system, and it is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has a unique blue-green color, which is due to the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 50,724 kilometers. Uranus has a composition similar to Neptune, with a mostly hydrogen and helium atmosphere. However, Uranus has a higher proportion of ices, such as water, ammonia, and methane, in its atmosphere compared to Jupiter and Saturn. The planet's atmosphere also contains trace amounts of other gases, such as hydrogen sulfide, which gives Uranus its distinctive odor. One of the most unique features of Uranus is its extreme tilt. The planet's axis of rotation is tilted at an angle of about 98 degrees, which is almost perpendicular to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. This causes Uranus to appear to roll on its side as it orbits the Sun, which is unlike any other planet in our solar system. Uranus has many moons, with the largest being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These moons are thought to have formed from the same disk of gas and dust that surrounded Uranus during its formation. The moons have a variety of features, including craters, canyons, and valleys, and some have been found to have subsurface oceans. Overall, Uranus is a fascinating planet with unique characteristics that make it an important object of study in our solar system. Neptune was first discovered in 1846 by French astronomer Urbain Le Verrier and English astronomer John Couch Adams. It is located about 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun, making it the farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Neptune's atmosphere is known for its strong winds, which can reach speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. The planet's blue color is caused by the absorption of red light by methane in its atmosphere. Neptune's magnetic field is also notable, as it is tilted at an angle of about 47 degrees relative to the planet's rotation axis. This creates a unique magnetic field that is offset from the planet's center and causes auroras to occur at the planet's poles. Neptune has been visited by only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, which flew by the planet in 1989. The spacecraft provided valuable data on the planet's atmosphere, rings, and moons, and revealed many of the unique features of this distant world. Despite being one of the least explored planets in our solar system, Neptune continues to be a subject of interest for scientists and astronomers, who hope to learn more about this mysterious gas giant and its many fascinating features. Thank you for watching.